hindi talaga hindi. Same company 'no, you transfer to another company tsaka tayo mag-jowa, gano'n.
Ay,
Kasi
okey.
why? Kasi I
Oh.
have dreams of moving up, eh. I have dreams of really, I have dreams of
Oo, oo.
I have a dream to, um, to own that company, yun na lang. To own that company one day and I
Oo,
don't
oo.
want my jowa or my jowa to report
Interfering
to
with that
me.
work.
To report to me
Mm.
or that I will report to that person. Why? Because my judgment will definitely be clouded because of my feelings for that person,
Yan. Hindi
right?
maiwasang magiging bias talaga at some point 'no?
Diyan ako mag-a-agree sa'yo, Kay, wherein tao lang tayo. Kasi tao lang tayo, right, na
Hmm.
na-i-inlove, blah, 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 right? But if I can, but then again, if I love na the person ano, talagang yung objectivity ko and my fairness will be ruined na, right? I will do whatever it takes for that person that I love na gumanda ang kanyang career sa company na yun, that I have influence over, right?
Mm.
Yun. Kaya kung jowa kita, yes, I will definitely give you attention. I will definitely give you favors. That's the type of person I am.